something was said against me.
Na mtumia
A woman friend of mine come and ask me, is it true that you did that? Then she continued and said, I did not thought you are that kind of person. And I asked her, how do you know me? And she said, I know you as a good person. Then I told her, be okay with that. I did not defend myself. Praise the name of God. Praise the name of the Lord. And when you continue, Jesus was asked, who are you? And he said, I am the Son of the living God. Praise the name of the Lord. I am the Son of the living God. Praise the name of the Lord. Praise the name of the Lord.
Nake 61 verse 61 nake no gukira akirire na ndacokire